In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a scheduled payment or bill reminder in the Monzo app. If you've set up a payment to go out automatically, or you've created a reminder so you don't forget a bill, there may come a time when you want to stop it. Maybe the amount changed, the service ended, or you simply don't need that reminder anymore. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and along the way, I'll share a few tips so you know what to expect. First, open the Monzo app on your phone. Give it a second to load your accounts and recent activity. Once you're in, look along the menu bar for the payments icon. It's the section where you normally send money, manage transfers, and handle your payment settings. Go ahead and tap payments. Inside payments, find and select the scheduled section. This is your hub for anything that's set to repeat automatically, like standing orders or recurring transfers, as well as any bill reminders you've saved. It's a neat way to see what's planned, when it's due, and where the money would go. Now, scroll through the list and choose the specific payment or bill reminder you want to stop. Take a moment to double check the details, the recipient, the amount, and the next scheduled date. If you have similar items in there, say 2 reminders for different utilities, making sure you've picked the correct one will help you avoid cancelling the wrong thing. When you're ready, tap cancel payment, or it may appear as cancel scheduled payment depending on what you're cancelling. The app will ask you to confirm because this action stops that item from going out or popping up again. Confirm the cancellation, and that's it. The change takes effect right away. A few things to keep in mind. Cancelling a scheduled payment prevents future occurrences from being sent automatically. If the due date is coming up very soon, cancelling now means that payment won't leave your account. For bill reminders, cancelling will stop the reminder notifications for that item so you won't get nudged about it anymore. If you ever need it back, you can set up a new scheduled payment or create a fresh reminder later. Nothing is permanent here. That's the whole process. Open the Monzo app, tap payments, go to scheduled, pick the item you want to stop, and confirm with cancel payment. Simple, clear, and quick. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your payments and reminders tidy and under control.